In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Analytics in HostPapa. We'll be stepping through this process carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly and efficiently. Whether you are a seasoned digital marketer or a beginner, this guide will walk you through each necessary screen and click to integrate Google Analytics into your HostPapa website. First things first, head over to https://analytics.google.com. This is where the magic begins in terms of tracking your website's visitors. If you haven't already, log in with your Google account. This will take you to your Google Analytics dashboard where you can start managing new properties. Once you're in your dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon labeled Admin. Go ahead and click on it. This area is like your command center where you'll set up a property for your HostPapa site. Under the property column, you have the option to create a new property. This is crucial because it specifies the site you want to track. Click on Create Property and a form will pop up. Here, enter your website's name and URL, then proceed by clicking Next, followed by the Create button. This gets your property ready to begin gathering data. Now shift your focus to Data Streams located within the property settings and select Web. Choosing Web ensures that you're setting up the right kind of tracking for a typical website. There you'll find your measurement ID, a key identifier that Google uses to track your site's data. Copy this ID. It usually starts with a G followed by 10 characters. With your measurement ID copied, log into your HostPapa dashboard. Navigate to My Websites and select Edit Site. This will direct you to the area where you can input your analytics details. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel. Click on Settings, followed by Tracking. This section allows you to paste your Google Analytics measurement ID into a designated box. Apply this to integrate Google Analytics directly with your HostPapa site. Once this is done, click Save and then be sure to publish your website to finalize and make these changes live. For those using WordPress, log into your WordPress admin dashboard by navigating to yourdomain.com/wp admin. Here, go to Plugins and select Add New. Search for the plugin named SiteKit by Google. This is a very handy tool that helps integrate Google services like Google Analytics with your WordPress site with minimal hassle. Once found, click to install and then activate the plugin. Follow the prompts where you'll click Start Setup and sign in with your Google account, granting the necessary permissions. SiteKit is particularly great as it will automatically connect Google Analytics to your WordPress site, saving you some configuration time. With that, you're all set up. Now your HostPapa site is linked to Google Analytics, ready to deliver pivotal insights on your website's performance. Enjoy the enhanced ability to understand your audience and optimize your content to better serve them. Thanks for following along and happy analyzing!